Okay guys, so I will be showing you how I'm going to iron on this decal. This is going to be my first time ever doing anything like this. I had to find me some shirts from Rainbow. It's very hard to find t-shirts, like woman shirts. Like I wasn't looking for the unisex shirts, but found a nice woman shirt. Again, I got these from Rainbow. What you want to have is you want to have an iron. I actually just got this new iron. I thought I had an iron in the garage, and guys, when I say that iron was shot, I have not had an iron in so long. Like I haven't even ironed in so long. But here we go. It's very pretty. I really, really like it. I have not used it yet. Just got it from Amazon. Let's go ahead and get it plugged up. You'll be needing, again, your shirt. I got the decal from Amazon. They sent me it was a company online. They create your logo. So I created my logo, and they gave me 2 iron-ons. Let's see how it goes with y'all, because sometimes iron-ons are very hard to do. So we're going to do it. I like how they gave me 2, so I'm going to put it on both the shirts. I'm going to put the iron on medium-low. Check your iron, don't have it too hot. You also will be needing, I will put a towel down, and then I will put the actual whatever shirt you use, I will put it there. Go ahead and get this ironed out real nice and neat, and also try it on and see where you want the logo to be, because you think you might want the logo somewhere, but make sure you want the logo wherever you want the logo sitting. So I'm gonna iron this up, get it ready, lay out the actual logo, which is right here, and then we'll try it, y'all. Because I'm tired of when I go to different companies or I ask people, can they make me my logo? It's always something. Like, I'm serious, it's always something. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to just try it on my own. Either the logo is not the same, like the coloring. You see how mine have coloring? They always try to change it up. And I'm like, no, I want it exactly like this. So that was nice to see that it was exactly like this. So let's go ahead and get it started. And what you can do is just go to Amazon, put in company logo iron-on decals, and a lot of companies will come up. This is from L&C. That's my first time, like I said, using this. It came in like a little package like this. It took a little while to come, but not too bad, and it was not expensive at all. So, okay. And they put the instructions on here too, so just read the instructions so you'll know how to be able to do it. And we also check out more YouTube videos than just mine too, so you'll make sure you lay it right and everything, okay? A tip that I heard about this, if you want to go ahead and put a crease inside of the whatever you ironing on, we'll try one. We'll try one and see how it goes. They say put a crease in this, and then you'll know exactly like where you want it to lay. Okay, so again, put the little crease, and then so you'll know exactly where you want it to lay. Make sure you are not using the steam mode on your iron, and like I told you, put it to medium to low. You will also be needing like a little, like some thin layer, like something that's thin like this, that you can be able to layer on top of the logo while you are ironing it, okay? And I wouldn't use a towel because I was about to lay a towel. You might be able to use a towel. I'm not going to say that, but just make sure you really, really iron it and get it nice and warm, because a towel is more thick. So I'm about to iron this, make sure I get all the creases out, and then go ahead and put the logo on it. Okay, so one thing, just because things cute don't mean nothing. I think they should have the fonts in a different color, because you can barely see medium and low. Like, you really gotta be like this to be able to see that. So, and remember, whatever you are ironing on, make sure it's like cotton. Make sure it's something that can withstand heat. If you want to give it a test, quick test, you want to make sure it's something that can absorb heat. Check your iron to make sure it's hot. And again, put it on medium to low, and put it on cotton if that's what it is, or whatever material it is, because you don't want to burn your material. Yeah, I most definitely won't be keeping this, because I can't even see. Like, you can't even see where it say cotton. Like, you got to do like this, and then you got to realize it's hot. So this going back. And always touch your iron just real quick, real light. Make sure it's going. Make sure it's warm. And again, iron this. Get that nice and laid out. Okay, so one thing I was told was to try it, so you can make sure you put the logo where you want it. What this say? Okay, that's what I said I wanted. Look, I put it on here. I want the fonts, everything to look exactly like the logo, because I'm tired of it not looking like that. Okay, so it said put it On this directions, it didn't say that. I seen this on something. Said do this so you can make sure you angle it right. We'll see. Hopefully that don't mess up stuff. Cause you know sometimes when you angle it, make sure it's angled good. And I can say that helps a lot because you got the little arrow right here. I got the arrow right here, and that actually helped out really, really well. So, okay. So now what we go to is lay this on top. Make sure it's nice and even when you lay it on top. And it said hold down. Make sure it's nice and even. And it say hold down for 10 seconds. Let me check it one more time just to make sure. And they always make stuff so difficult. They say iron the surface of textile first. Why don't you just say iron on your whatever it is? They always make it so difficult. Iron on. It say let it cool for 2 to 3 minutes. Then peel the film carefully. So make sure you let it cool for a little bit. And then it say cover the design with the back side of the film and iron for 15. So confusing. So confusing. Okay, let's do it. Just kind of hold it there. I'm gonna count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And just keep going down, count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you or are on the logo. So let me go ahead and do that and I'll be right back. Did y'all hear that? I don't know if it was the button got some kind of auto on it. If you have it sitting for too long, I don't know what happened with that, but made it. Okay, I just want to make sure that I am getting it all. Because I done iron-ons back in the day, and if you do not get it all, you'd be so upset. Some of it be stuck to the gun. Let's see what it looked like. Let's lift this up. Do it one more time, just on the safe side. One more again. And then God, we're gonna let it cool. Yeah, I have not used the iron in so long. Well, actually, when I went to Orlando, my friend loved the iron. She loved using the iron. Ever since we've been young, we actually been friends since we've been in the 5th grade. And she used to iron her clothes up something serious. And she was doing it while we was on the trip, which ironing is an excellent thing. It make the clothes look so much better. Like my clothes lay so much better. So I'm telling you guys, get into ironing. Because I know I just throw it in the dryer. I don't know about you. Comment below who just throw it in the dryer. Okay. And see, one thing I don't like is they got that thing in the middle. Remember we was talking about that? Somebody said it's gonna come out, but let me make sure I'm getting it. Now the same side, guys, we're going back over. Make sure you are going over the logo. Okay, so let's read the directions again. Okay, so we're gonna let it cool for about 2 to 3 minutes. And it said when you iron and press down kind of hard too, okay? Kind of press hard when you iron. Not super hard, but you know hard so it can stick. You see, that didn't work.
Sleep on it. Shit, I wasn't watching you. We in the same room. Just know your business, like. Go. Go. What? Happened you in there? What's going on? Nah, shit. You worse than all of them around here. You don't trust shit, do you? No. So what happened in there? Same thing happened to everybody. Hey, what you saying? Now listen to me. What? Yeah. Shit. We get to know each other. Half these motherfuckers going back to jail. You and me are all at home. That's why I'm on you, man. Shit, come on. I think you cool as shit. Look at you. Girl, shit, I feel like I know you, man. You don't know me, though. Look at me. I know it. Okay. I'm telling you. I hear you. Speaking of, did you think about what I said? You said a lot of shit. Tell me. Come on, man, about the club. Alright. Yes. Damn, I call my aunt. And I'm gonna go up there.
Okay, guys, it's cool. Let's see how it go. They said remove it slowly.
Anonymous tip.
No such a thing, okay?
I'm trying to find out at the department.
You do that.
Well, I gotta get over there.
So, alright, well, thank you. And will I see you later?
You're gonna have to get something other
Oh
than
wow, I didn't know that that's gonna be attached to it. So make sure you don't put no text. The text is there.
I will keep
Wow.
that in mind.
I'll see you later.
Alright, thank you.
Sunday is culture's biggest night, and the BET Awards
I'm so upset about that. I'm gonna have to try to pick that off. Because I had some text on here telling them how to do the logo, and it stuck to the shirt. There's always something crazy, y'all, but okay, it's feeling good, y'all. So do it slowly. Make sure you get those edges. Next time, I will cut off that excess. I didn't know. And we see that you don't put nothing on top of it. Some decals you put stuff on top. This one you didn't. It worked perfect when I followed the instructions. Okay, guys, so let's look at it. I have to figure out how I'm gonna get this off. Let me try to get this off. Yeah, I'm gonna try to scrape this. Okay, thank God with Monty's fingernails, it's coming off. So again, if you have any text, make sure you do not iron that. So let me get all this off real quick. Yeah, this is crazy. It's taking a long time, but I thank God it's coming straight off. I didn't put nothing on it. I'm just scratching it and it's coming off. And again, like I said, guys, this is the text. Like remember I told you I want it exactly like the logo. Unfortunately, see, I want the fonts like the logo that actually got on it. And that's an auto shut off, okay, for the iron, but I don't want it. Okay. And for some reason, guys, this corner is white, so I'm about to just take this. I don't see that this working staying if you wash it, but I don't know. I'm not sure. I feel like to me it'll come off if you wash it. Now it said with the back of this, go ahead and go back over it with the iron. That's what this said. Cover the design with backside of the film and iron for 5 to 10 seconds for a better effect. So I'm gonna do that, try it on, and I'll come back and let you guys know how it go. But hopefully that helps somebody to show you how to be able to do it. You don't. Some decals you put tiles on top. I mean, a little stuff like, thin material, but this one you didn't have to do that. So again, I just put the back, turned it to the back. It said use the back part. And just, I don't want this back on there, so make sure you ain't.
How's Alan feel about this eviction?
And also make sure you're not
I see.
make sure you're not hitting the logo without this on top of it. You gotta have that on top. And now they say let it cool. And I'm gonna try it on and I'll let you guys see how it looks. But like I said, to me, the way that the logo is, I don't think it would be cool being washed. But once I wash it and come back, I'll let you guys know how it was being washed, okay, and worn. And thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe.